Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use end-to-end encryption chat on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Meta owns social media platform like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram offer end-to-end encryption for chat. Your chat messages and calls are protected so that only you and the person you're speaking to can see, hear, or read them. An end-to-end encrypted conversation is protected by a unique key that is stored on each device participating in the conversation. So how to use it? How if you want to use the end-to-end encrypted chat conversation on your Instagram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to the DM section by tap on the upper right corner here. You can choose on the chat that you want to use the end-to-end encryption. You can choose on the conversation. I will choose this one. You can go to the profile page. You can tap on this name. Tap on privacy and safety. And you'll see there is an option use end-to-end encryption. You can just tap on that. So here's you can start your conversation with end-to-end encryption. So simple, right? So it will turn out like this. It will open the new conversation on the DM section with the like log icon on the chat. It's so simple, right? So that is how to use end-to-end encryption chat on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.